Yeah, but as Matt has alluded to, the market has been difficult. How much harder has that made your fundraising efforts?
Oh, it's certainly the case that, venture capital is way less active right now in general. I mean, you go back to, a year ago, and there was more money looking to be deployed by venture capitalists than there were things to deploy it in. Like it was a bit of a free for all. And there was a lot of determination to, compete to get investments, as in to get allocations for things to invest in. You look at the environment today, and it's very different. Today there is not a lot of capital being invested anywhere really in the financial ecosystem. Not so much because of interest rates themselves, as because of just a lot of uncertainty about which direction rates are going to be going in, about where they're going to end up, about what policy the Fed's going to take, what policy Congress is going to take on spending bills. And so, I think that certainly has slowed down, general investment markets quite a bit.
You told our David Rubenstein that you'd had mixed results in terms of the acquisitions that you had done. A lot of people saw you as throwing a lifeline to the industry, so you weren't necessarily trying to make huge profits. That's what you said your mandate was to your team. How do you think you've fared now, and especially considering the situation at Voyager? You've gone in to pick up those assets. As you sort of do the tally on the back of your napkin there, how have you fared?
Yeah, and it's a good question. And I think that at the end of the day, um, that has basically been our mandate, has been to do okay deals here, to do deals that we feel okay with from a corporate perspective, and then to do what we can to backstop the ecosystem, to protect customers, and to, in the case of the Voyager deal, get customers back their assets as quickly as possible rather than leaving them in limbo for a while. So, I think that we're excited about where it's going, and more importantly though, I think that we will hopefully be able to give a prompt resolution to customers, and that is the biggest piece of this, rather than seeing this primarily as a financial opportunity.